Looking for a creative and immersive experience? I found the perfect one at Cozy Artland in Long Island City. I joined their Sip, Paint, and Slime in the Dark class, and it was such a unique experience. I was first introduced to the instructor, Teo, who's incredibly welcoming and friendly. He handed me my slime, and I kicked things off by getting creative on their slime graffiti wall. Ended up making a little heart design, as you guys can see. Kicked things off with a sip of wine, then painted a Lisa Frank inspired design that popped under the neon lights. The Zip, Paint, and Slime in the Dark class was so much fun and relaxing. Here's the final design. Would you try it?